Hi, this is Jeannie at Trendy Tree, and today I'm going to show you a few items from a buffalo check cozy cabin style Christmas tree that Rachel and Carrie decorated in the Trendy Tree store. If you're not familiar with Trendy Tree is our website, and we've been in business since about 2007. We've got all kinds of wreath making supplies and seasonal decorations, all kinds of things that you need to decorate for any occasion or any season. This tree is just loaded with a lot of buffalo check, red and black buffalo check, all kinds of little gnomes and animals. There's a squirrel with a little cap on, and several different kinds of ribbon. There's a farmhouse style ribbon and some rickrack ribbon, popcorn garland. I'm going to go through the tree and show you some of the things up close and give you the numbers. Now, some of these items may only be available in the retail store at Pontotoc, and some will still be on the website. I know the wooden snowflakes are only available in the store at Pontotoc. So grab a cup of coffee and we'll go through some of these items, and I'll give you the SKU number so you can place an order on the website. That's trendytree.com, and the store is in Pontotoc, Mississippi. Is a little gnome. He has a gray base and a white beard and a red and black buffalo check top hat. His hat is wired and it's got a gray ball on the end, and the number is R7583. This Marion St sign is an MDF, and it's outlined with corrugated metal. It says Marion St, and the number is Y5798. It's about 12 inches in diameter or in width. These are some little small ornaments. They're a black and white buffalo check, and there's a little mitten, a little Santa hat, and a stocking, and they're sold as a set of 3, and the number is XY875432. I love the little sloth. This one has earmuffs, and he's a chef sitter, so he has a weighted bottom and little dangly legs. There's no wire in the legs, they just hang freely, and the number is Y5236. He's got a little red jacket on. The little squirrel is just like a little stuffed ornament, and he'll sit on a tabletop. He's got a little cap with ear flaps, and he's just real cute. His number is 34. It's a Raz item, and he's about 6 inches. His number is 3416100. This ribbon is a new style for this year. It's what's called a farmhouse stripe. Now, we've had farmhouse stripe before, but this one has a little glitter in it. It has a natural background and then some glitter strip. The red is in glitter, and then there's some black. It's 2.5 inches in width, and there's 10 yards on the roll. And the number is RW762930. Another ribbon used on this tree is a red with a black rickrack. It's 1.5 inches in width, and there's 10 yards on the roll. And we're seeing a real comeback in the rickrack style ribbon. We saw it for spring last year, and then of course fall and winter this year, and we've already seen several new patterns for spring of next year. And that number is RG2047A9. This is another one of the signs that's about a 12 or 13 inch square, and it's made out of wood, and it's trimmed out in a corrugated tin. It has a sawtooth hanger on the back, and it has a print of a deer head with antlers in the red and black buffalo check. And that number is Y5798. it may be an assortment. So when you put that number in on the website, if it comes up an assortment, it may be assorted. This is another little Santa type gnome. He's dressed in gray and kind of a dark red, the little white beard and a pointy hat, and there's wire in the hat, and he has kind of a knit striped legs and red feet, and he's one of those expansion kind. He can, legs will, he can stand up or be short. His number is, and he's holding a little stitched felt heart, and his number is R7352. Isn't it cute? And there's a little snowflake like stitching on his hat. This is a buffalo check ball ornament. It's large. The ball itself is about 6 inches, so if you measure to the top, it'll be a little taller than that. It's made out of styrofoam, and it's covered in fabric, and it has a little sprig of some pine and little red berries, a little jute bow, and just a jute string hanger. The number on it is 84247 Buffalo. Very lightweight. This is a 6-inch berry ball ornament. It's made out of styrofoam and covered in red berries and has a snow top and a jute string hanger. Very lightweight. And the number is XN0381. This is a metal Marion St, and the number on it is 19231. There's also a Joy to the World ornament, and it's 19231. That may be sold as a set on the website. Just have to check and see. But it has a kind of a distressed look. It looks like, the edges are rubbed off. Very pretty. And it's kind of an embossed. It has an embossed edge to it. And that number is Y5779. That sign, that Y5779, is an assortment. So another one to choose from it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, and it has a little gnome in the center, and it's green with a little gold embossed edge. This is a glass ball ornament from Raz. It's about 4 inches, and it has red birds, and they have just a little bit of glitter, and there's like twigs on the ball. It's kind of plain on the back, and that number is 351447. It has some raised snow-like places. The popcorn garland has like looks like cranberries in between it, and the number on it is MTX16743. I know it's kind of hard to see probably on the tree, and I'll have to, you can look at it on the website and see what the dimensions are, but it looks like real popcorn pieces.